I'm sure you've heard the news. Birds are flocking to backyards everywhere. Here's how to join the fun. First up, food. Birds love variety, so mix it up. Offer seeds, nuts and fruits. Did you know woodpeckers adore suet cakes? Yum! Next, water. Birds need a splash zone. A bird bath or a simple dish of water can do wonders. Keep it clean and fresh, and don't forget shelter. Plant native shrubs and trees for them to nest in. Even a cozy birdhouse works wonders. Lastly, patience is key. Give it time. And soon you'll have a backyard full of feathered friends. Happy bird watching.